Hello, I am Dr. Ankumar. Welcome all of you to Be Positive Knowledge Hub. In this video, I would like to share the details of some MSc and MTech programs recently started by the Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. So there are 4 MSc courses and 2 MTech programs. And the application online registration has already been started, can continue up to 28 February 2021. So the details of the courses, the newly introduced courses are MSc Nanoscience and Nanotechnology Physics stream, MSc Nanoscience and Nanotechnology Chemistry stream, MSc Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, MSc Statistics, MTech Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, MTech Energy Science. These are the 6 courses. And Mahatma Gandhi University, as you know, is one of the prestigious universities in India with international ranking. The university invites application for the following new MSc and MTech programs. As already announced, 2 MSc programs in nanoscience and nanotechnology, one in physics stream and other in the chemistry stream. And third course is the MSc Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Fourth is MSc Statistics. And the MTech programs are MTech Nanoscience and Nanotechnology and MTech Energy Science. And the registration fee details are given below. And for the general candidates, the registration fee is 1,100, and for SC/ST candidates, it's only rupees 550. For open all India quota, the fee is also rupees 1,100. There are international students also will be admitted, and for international students, the registration fee is $100, and equivalent Indian rupees on the date of payment are to be made. And payment of fees is through online mode only, and it can be done through credit card, debit cards, or net banking. And there is an open all India quota. 20% of all the total approved seats of each program are created additionally, and it is earmarked as open all India quota. And these seats are reserved for applicants who are native of union territories or states other than Kerala. Applicants who are natives of Kerala are not eligible for this open all India quota. And there are foreign students also will be admitted. An additional 20% of seats over the above sanctioned strength or 2 seats, whichever is higher, is earmarked for the foreign students in each PG programs in the university teaching department. International students admission process will be through International Students Admission Committee coordinated by the University Center for International Cooperation. So let us see the intake, total intake, MSc Nanoscience and Nanotechnology Physics stream. All the courses are of 4 semester duration, that is 2 years. And state quota, MSc Nanoscience Physics stream, state quota 10, All India quota 2, international 2, total seats 14. MSc Nanoscience and Nanotechnology Chemistry stream also has 10 seats in the state quota, 2 seats in the All India quota, and 2 seats in the international quota, and altogether will become 14 seats. MSc Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, state quota 12 seats, All India quota 2 seats, and international 2 seats. Altogether, there are 16 seats. MSc Statistics has 15 seats in the state quota and 3 seats in the All India quota, and 3 students from the international arena. And altogether, 21 seats are there for the MSc Statistics course. MTech Nanoscience and Nanotechnology course has state quota 10 seats, All India quota 2 seats, and international students 2. Altogether, 14 seats are there for the MTech Nanoscience and Nanotechnology program. And MTech Energy Science, state quota 2 seats, All India quota 2 seats, and international students 2. Altogether, there are 14 students. And let us see the eligibility criteria. MSc Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, both chemistry and physics stream. And the eligibility is BSc Physics, Chemistry, or an equivalent degree with the not less than 50% mark. And MSc Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, first class bachelor's degree in computer science, computer applications, information technology, cyber forensics, electronics, or any other degree in science or computer applications as major components, or BTech degree in computer science, information technology, or electronics. And MSc Statistics, the eligibility is BSc degree in mathematics or statistics main, or BSc triple main with mathematics, statistics, and computer science as main subject, or BSc or BVOC data science, data analytics, or BE or BTech. And MTech Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, MSc Physics, MSc Chemistry, MSc Polymer Science, MSc Material Science, MSc Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, BTech in Chemical Engineering, Polymer Engineering, Nanotechnology, Electronics and Communication, Material Science, Biotechnology, all this BTech degree with the 50% mark. And the MTech Energy Science, in addition to the MSc Physics, Chemistry, Polymer Science, Material Science, Nanoscience, and BTech Chemical, Polymer, Nanotechnology, Electronics and Communication, Material Science, Biotechnology, Civil Engineering and Mechanical Engineering graduates are also eligible for apply to the MTech Energy Science course. And all this, the students must pass with the not less than 50% mark. And the MTech course in energy science, one of the recently started department is the School of Energy Science, and they are conducting this MTech course in the energy science with a view to meet the shortfall in skilled young researchers in the field of energy science and designed to address the energy requirements of the globe. The course will be handled by experts from industry as well as academia. The highlight of the course is that students have a chance to conduct research in international laboratories abroad, as many MOUs has been signed by the Mahatma Gandhi University with other foreign universities. A lot of MOUs have already been signed, and this unparalleled research experience would propel the students forwarding in pursuing an active career in the research field. So this is one of the best courses recently started by the university. And for more details for the MSc and MTech program, students can uh, will get information through email, and we can send mails through the mail ID cat@mgu.ac.in. Phone number also is given 0481 273 3595. For international students, can contact through email unicmgu@gmail.com. The application is done through online mode only, and the application link is cat.mgu.ac.in. And application process has already been started and it will continue up to 28 February 2021. So this much is given in this video, and thank you all for watching this. So if you like this video, please like it and share to your friends and relatives or the like-minded people. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, you can subscribe this channel through by clicking the red button subscribe given below this video. And we will publish videos based on education, motivation, and career in this channel. And thank you all for this watching once again, and all which wish you all good success. Thank you very much.